Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is first one, section 1, 1.1, an astrologer's day of English Yuvak Bharati standard 12th. So before start this story or lesson, there is given icebreakers activity. So here let us discuss the icebreakers activity. First activity is that discuss with your partner and complete the activity. What are your strengths? So to recognize our own strength, this activity is given to you. First, there are 3 columns. In each column, first answer is given strength. First one is painting and drawing, that is your strength. Why do you feel so? Why do you feel that is your strength? Because we can visualize or express ourselves through the painting and drawing. And what is the dream career related to your strength? That is, you can become a commercial artist or cartoonist also. So like this, your remaining column you have to fill with your strength, what do you feel so, and dream career. For instance, singing is also one kind of strength. Why do you feel so? You can write here, because you can sing so many song, classical song or modern song. Okay, you can express your identity as a singer. That's why you feel that is your strength. And dream, there is a profession of singer. You can become a great singer. That is your dream. So like this, related dancer also there. Dancing is your strength. You can perform yourself on the strength or on the stage. That is your you feeling to perform yourself on the stage. And dream career, you can become a great dancer. That you can write in this column. Next, you can write your, if your strength is there playing football or in the sport related also, you can add in this column. So let us go through next one. The scene in a local market of a village, town or city is very attractive. People with different occupation sell their wares. So discuss with your partner the variety of activity at the local market. Now you generally goes to the local market, so you have seen different sellers are there, that you have to write here. First one is given to you, selling flowers, selling grocery. So second time you can write selling clothes, selling fruits, or selling shoes, selling jewelries. Whatever you imagine, that you can write here 5 points. Now in a village, town, city, it is a quite common sight to see astrologer sitting by the roadside with his professional equipment. So here activity is given to you. Discuss with your partner and list the requirement for his trade. So astrologer means those who predict future. They tells us about our future. Nowadays we usually go to the astrologer to know good time to do, good time for marriage, good time for doing inauguration of function. So they tells us by reading the stars. So they are astrologers. Some astrologers are there, that is their profession. They do their businesses by sitting at the roadside. So how they sit, with what equipment they carry, that you have to write here. One is done here, parrot and cards. Another you can write about their book, The astrologer has a book like Panchang or knowledge of stars. They can have uh, uh, powder, kumkum, this equipment, or another thing like parrot card. It is already given here. So wait 1 minute. Another, they can sit at the roadside by extending their mat, their costume, their long turban, their beards, uh, their necklace around their neck. So this identity they always carry with them. So that things you have to note down here. uh, there are certain unreasonable beliefs among people living in our society. Certain common events are linked with superstitions. List such events, discuss the superstition, link with them, and the means of their eradication also. So, which kind of blind faith till today are available in our society? Superstition that you have to write here. So first is given here, a cat crossing path. So whenever a cat crosses the path or our way, that time we consider that is a bad omen. Our work will not fulfill. So that is a blind faith. Second, in night, people say you should not cut the nails. That you can write. Third, some say that we should not look in broken mirror. That also one superstition, blind faith. Or some say that it is a bad luck when widow crosses our path. And generally when crows sit on our roof or uh, at the window, that time we say that some guests are going to arrive. So these are generally 4 5 superstition which still spread around the society. So what are the means to eradicate them? So that you have to write here. So first means that education is necessary to eradicate such kind of blind faith from the mind of the people, because so many people, those who are illiterate, that only a victim to this kind of superstition. Second is to put a scientific view, scientific attitude. Okay, there is reason behind each and everything, so they should look scientific attitude. And third, some social leaders are there or social reformers are there. They have to spread knowledge about this ill effects of blind faith. In this way we can stop this kind of superstition. Next is there are okay, or now R.K. Narayanan. This is the great author of this astrologers day. Now R.K. Narayanan, from 1906 to 2001, his name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy, who was one of the most important or best known novelist among Indian English writer. He wrote 14 novels, 5 volumes of short stories, and number of travelogues he wrote. And he has collection of non-fiction to the credit. So his popular books, in these popular books he maximum means many time he refer a city, and the name of the city is Malgudi. This is also a typical Indian city which is imaginary basis, Malgudi. So where he realistic characteristics in typically Indian setting lived amid unpredictable events. Maximum his stories are grounded in compassionate humanism and celebrated the humor and energy of ordinary life. His stories are characterized by simple style and subtle humor. So it means maximum stories uh, give us a humor by R.K. Narayanan. So Narayanan was introduced to American readers also in 1952 by Michigan State University Press. There he include this kind of books which was written by him, Swami and Friends, Bachelor of Arts, The Dark Room, and Astrologer's Day and other stories. Mr. Sampath, financial expert, Waiting for Mahatma, The Guide, and many other books. Now, The Guide in 1953 he wrote, if you know, um, one movie is there, Hindi film on the basis of this guide. Devanand, the hero, played important role here as a guide, which is based on the novel of R.K. Narayan, The Guide. His novel The Guide won a Sahitya Academy Award in 1961, the most quoted literary honor in India. His writings distinguished by humor, unfolding irony, and unique Indianness and simplicity, which is utterly charming and authentic. Narayan typically portrays the peculiarities of human relationship and the ironies of Indian daily life. His style is graceful, marked by genial humor, elegance, and simplicity. So, all these qualities of his novel we can see in Astrologer's Day. Now, before start a detailed textual explanation of the Astrologer's Day, I would like to share a short summary of Astrologer's Day. Now, what happened exactly in this story and Astrologer's Day? Now, beginning of the novel, there is a time of midday, means afternoon, and this astrologer, which is one example of traditional way of saying futures to other. So he appeared there on the street by his traditional costume. So that he wear a long turban, apply uh, uh, this means he wear this long turban and all the equipment he carry which were needed for this astrologer. Okay, this astrologer is one most important example of extended conflict against society and struggle. This astrologer also has problem with neighboring vendors. Now he said in one market there he has lot of problem with these vendors also. He can live to fullest and made the best future quarrels. He tried to kill Nayak, Guru Nayak in his life, and that's why he left his village and changed his attire, disguised himself as a astrologer, and came in this new city. He started a new life. That when he tried to kill the person, his name was Guru Nayak, and this emotional effect of fear produced when he met again Nayak. There was conflict in his mind and great burden on his mind when he saw the miss before seeing the most important character, that is Nayak, because the Nayak was Nayak, Nayak was what happened? Nayak was searching him to take revenge, that he tried to kill him and left alive. So Nayak was always searching him in different kind of villages. Now he came in this village. The astrologer saw him, and he told him that the man who tried to kill you had died 4 months ago already, so you don't search him here. So these two characters are here examples of internal and external conflict. The astrologer recognized Guru Nanak that he was the person he stabbed and left to die in a field, and now he is still alive. So that time his burden up on his mind a little bit relief. So why? Because he tried to kill him, but he hadn't died. So most important crime which was going to happen by his hand, now it is not happened. So whole story moves around this astrologer. He is presented, he is as a character by dressing, behaving in a particular manner. And one day one man came in front of him as a client, that was Nayak, and he wanted to ask him question, and that answer of the question this astrologer give all answer correct. And this that time this is the climax of the story. It means when till today astrologer lived by saving himself from this kind of sin, sin, and now he came to know that the person whom he tried to kill, now he is alive, now he was safe, now he had not done any crime. So like this it happened.